Achieving your initial $100,000 is frequently the most difficult phase of accumulating wealth. This reflects a long-term commitment, careful decision-making, and unwavering dedication. At this point, each dollar saved is a result of intentional choices, whether it involves reducing expenses, resisting immediate desires, or putting in additional hours at work. However, upon reaching that milestone, when your account or investments reflect six figures, a significant transformation occurs. Your finances are not merely a reflection of your hard work. They start to appreciate in a manner that holds significance. This transition represents what I refer to as the wealth acceleration point. Before reaching the $100,000 mark, your advancement is primarily influenced by your own efforts, your dedication, your work ethic, and your established routines. From this moment onward, compounding starts to take on a greater role in your financial growth. The percentage returns that may have seemed modest in the past now yield tangible results that you can both see and experience. The momentum has shifted from concept to reality. The process is now underway. For instance, a 7% return on an investment of $10,000 yields $700 over the course of a year. While this amount is certainly noteworthy, it may not be transformative in the grand scheme of financial goals. An investment yielding 7% on $100,000 generates $7,000, which can effectively cover several months of expenses, facilitate the purchase of a used car, or contribute to savings growth. By reinvesting that return, you enable the subsequent year's growth to build upon a larger foundation. As you progress, this feedback loop serves as the driving force that propels you from $100,000 to $1 million. Now, subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more financial insights. However, it's important to recognize that while the benefits of compounding become significant at this point, errors can also lead to more substantial consequences. A 20% decline in a $10,000 portfolio represents a challenge, but it is one that can be addressed and overcome in a relatively short time frame. A decline of 20% on an investment of $100,000 could significantly undermine years of diligent effort. That is why achieving wealth acceleration necessitates a distinct mindset. The emphasis transitions from relentless pursuit of wealth to sustainable growth and safeguarding your financial base. It is crucial to embrace diversification. As your portfolio grows, it's prudent to diversify across various asset classes. Consider broad market index funds for broad exposure, incorporate some fixed income for stability, and allocate a small portion to higher risk opportunities that you have a solid understanding of. The objective is not to eradicate risk entirely, but rather to safeguard against a single error or setback that could disrupt your progress. For compounding to be effective, it must occur without interruption, and diversification serves as a protective measure in this process. At this level, the significance of taxes becomes increasingly pronounced. Experiencing a loss of a few $100s to taxes from a modest portfolio might not have seemed substantial. With an investment of six figures, a mere 1% tax saving can translate to an extra $1,000 contributing to your financial growth annually. Over a decade, that straightforward efficiency could translate into tens of thousands of additional dollars compounded within your portfolio. Grasping the nuances of capital gains regulations, leveraging tax-advantaged accounts, and strategically timing your withdrawals are essential components of safeguarding your financial progress. Ultimately, behavior is the decisive element that can determine success or failure. It can be quite appealing to relax your financial discipline after reaching the six-figure mark. A larger vehicle, a more luxurious residence, and pricier lifestyle options. Each of these can significantly impact the cash flow that supports the power of compounding. While it is essential to appreciate your progress, be cautious of the risk of transforming rewards into obligations. Significant fixed costs, like long-term loans or mortgages, can restrict your income, preventing it from contributing to your wealth accumulation. The essential approach is to maintain a standard of living that reflects your financial goals, while being cautious of lifestyle inflation that can hinder your progress. Automation significantly enhances efficiency in this area. Establishing automatic contributions, preferably timed immediately after you receive your income, positions investing as your primary option. Consistently contributing even small amounts can lead to significant growth over the long term. As your income increases, it is prudent to adjust your contributions accordingly, ensuring that your lifestyle does not outpace the growth of your investments. The more decisively you act, the clearer your journey to $1 million will be. Indeed, the expansion of income continues to be a significant factor influencing financial outcomes. Your portfolio may be growing, but it's your active income that remains the primary source of control and influence over your financial situation. Increasing your income, whether through promotions, career advancement, or developing side projects, significantly accelerates your financial journey. Every extra dollar you invest today could significantly grow in value over time. The wealth acceleration point emphasizes the importance of integrating your employment income with your investment strategies, allowing both to complement each other effectively. This phase requires a reevaluation of your perception of time. Market downturns are a natural part of investing, and with a larger portfolio, the figures at stake can seem overwhelming. Experiencing significant losses in a challenging year can truly challenge one's financial discipline. What may appear as a temporary setback can frequently present a valuable opportunity for growth in the long run. Consistently purchasing during market downturns allows you to acquire more shares at reduced prices, positioning you for enhanced growth when the market rebounds. Maintaining a steady approach and remaining calm, instead of succumbing to impulsive reactions, are the key factors that drive sustained growth. At this stage, one of the understated risks is the potential for overconfidence. Experiencing an increase in your assets from $100,000 to $200,000 may create a sense of control over your financial journey. However, markets can be quite volatile, and even seasoned investors may face challenges when they misjudge their influence. The key to success is maintaining discipline, adhering to your strategy, steering clear of impulsive decisions, and prioritizing long-term growth over fleeting news. Periodic lump sums can offer valuable enhancements to your financial strategy. Consider directing your tax refund, bonus, or proceeds from the sale of an unused asset into investments. Although they may not be the primary factor, these injections can significantly reduce the time it takes to reach $1 million, particularly in the initial years when compounding starts to gain momentum. Ultimately, safeguarding your achievements is just as crucial as enhancing them. Establishing an emergency fund is crucial as it allows you to avoid liquidating investments when faced with unforeseen expenses. Securing the right insurance, be it health, income protection, or property, ensures that unforeseen events do not compromise the financial stability you have built over the years. Scheduling annual or semi-annual reviews allows you to rebalance your portfolio, assess alignment with your objectives, and ensure that your strategy remains effective. It is essential to concentrate on the broader strategy rather than getting caught up in daily market movements, ensuring that the overall trajectory of your financial plan stays on course. What steps can you take to grow your wealth from $100,000 to $1 million? The reality is that success does not hinge on hidden tactics or ideal moments. It involves safeguarding your foundation, ensuring consistent growth, maintaining your financial habits, and allowing the power of compounding to work effectively. The acceleration point benefits individuals who maintain discipline, patience, and consistency in their approach. Achieving seven figures transcends mere financial gain. Watch the video appearing on the right side to know what you should do every day so you are no more poor. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers, and also to know more financial lessons.